Action. A good scrub brush and a cleaner is all you need to scrub the grating bars on the bottom of the bird cage. You may have to wipe certain areas by hand using a cloth. Detailed video, man. Show people what they got in the tail for before they buy a parrot. Cool. Okay. Oh, it's good, Luke.
I need a break.
Okay, cut. Looks like it's working, huh?
Oh, I can talk?
Yeah, you can talk. I won't use the sound.
Smells good. That's it?
In this type of cage, it's okay to use this type of lyric, which we'll get into, because we have a big gap here where the bird couldn't get to the droppings, as we can see. Slowly pull it out. I need you to back off so I can get some light into it.
You don't really want to show all that poop, Manny.
Okay.
You're embarrassing, Samantha.
Don't want to show it. It's a how-to video, not a television show.
Stop.
Okay. Okay. Now move your head out the way. I need you to cover the whole thing with that stuff.
There's not a whole lot here, Manny.
Well, do the best you can with it.
You don't have to show the whole thing. You can just show the process.
What?
This is up.
Turn it around. There you go.
It's still all over it. You don't have to show the bag, show my hand.
You want to get a nice even coating on your bird cage to have the proper bedding to absorb the bird droppings. Be careful with this stuff as it can hide the bird droppings and you'll think that you don't have to change the litter for a while. It should still be done on a weekly basis, at least. Oh, temperature set.